and solder on the thing, on the joint. Right, let's heat this up. Then you heat the middle, yes, on the joint.
Yep.
And let it spread. And then you'll see the solder mounting. Then go to your joint, gently heat it. You can see it shining. It just needs a tiny drop of solder there. I'm just doing a bit of extra precaution. And then a little drop. That's it. You don't need much solder. That's it. That's a clean joint. Okay, let's do the next one. If I want to be, if it's awkward spots, I do get my mirror and check around the joint, see the flow of the solder around, and that's my sign. Everything's going to be alright.
Okay.
Yeah. Right, that one's ready. Let's clean this one. Now he knows about tall rats. Do it your fucking self. do it yourself now.
I'll give it a go.
Oh, good luck. I know you're ringing. I know you're going to be a
Of course I am.
There'll be a fucking big pat.
Just to get it on.
But you render it first.
Yeah.
Remember that.
That's the big
If
key.
you put it on that other side of the wall, or you use the alcoves, or in the middle of that little space in the wall, which is ideal, this wall. Because what can you do with it now? Put a TV on it? That's it. Can't do much.
Yeah.
Once you've got your blinds and everything on it,